So this is with all the lights on. I mean, guys, it's like daytime in here. Look, it is really bright in here. I mean, wow. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. We're still working on the 2010 Pilot. We are changing all the interior lights. So a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button down below and put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. Without further ado, let's custom it. All right, first light is this guy. Let's just take this one out first. There's a little opening right here. Just put your tool in there and take the cover off. Pop the light out, just pull it out. Ow, hot. Hey guys, I don't have the box, but I ordered these lights from Last Fit. I'm gonna put the link down below if you guys need any LED light for your car. So let's test them out. Jeez, those are so bright, guys. Look, they're so bright. I love the way they look. Okay, this one is done. Let's move on to the driver's side. Done. There we go. Now put the cover back in. Done. Next door. These are so bright, guys. They are really bright. Okay, you'll see what it look like at night. Next door. Done. Let's go inside the car. Okay guys, so let's take these guys out. Should be able to just pop them out. Okay, let's see if I have these bulbs. These are different. Let's pop it out, see if I have them. So I think I may have two of them, at least first for the front. Let's see if they good enough. Oh yeah, perfect. Nice, those are bright. Okay, now put the little cover back. Super simple. Next, pop this one out, put it in. Oh yeah, put this cover back. Nice, right? Let's move to the backs. I don't know if I have enough light for these, but let's see what we got. Okay guys, let's try to take these guys out. Oh, got it. That one too. Stick both of them out at the same time. Here we go. Whew. Okay, got one. Let's try this guy. Okay. All right guys, as you can see, it's working. I had to make sure that the door lights was on the front, so I got it to work. So now I should be able to pop this off. Okay, got it. Put the new bulb on there. Oh, where are you? Okay, both guys are on. Let's put the cover back. One cover, two cover, boom. Let's move to the back again. The back of the back. Okay, got two more here. Do the same thing. Got them all. Take these guys out. Ow. All right, so the light is really hot. There we go, I got one. Let's get the next one too. Oh, this one is tough. It's trying to maneuver it out a little bit. Okay. Okay. Put this one on. Okay. All right. Both lights are on. Let's put the covers back. Put this guy back too. Okay, done. Now we have one more here. I need to see what this one is. Okay, I don't think I have this one. Let me check. Let's take this guy out. Okay, I got something in there anyway. It's not white, it's a little bluish, but I think I'll set it up a little bit better than what it was. So we can put the cover back. Okay, I think we are done, guys. You'll get another look at night. So this one is done too. This one is kind of like a blue whitish, but well, I'm probably changing that later on, but for now we're gonna leave that for what it is. Looks good. So guys, I wanted to show you the interior light. Look about this. Look how nice they light up the doorway now. So much better, right? Way better than it was. This is the rear door. So this is with all the lights on. I mean, guys, it's like daytime in here. Look. It is really bright in here. I mean, wow. Look how bright it is with all the lights on. So there you go. So the difference is this one is a touch blue to just give it a little bit of je ne sais quoi, like they said. I love this. So bright. I mean, guys, look inside of this, guys. It is freaking nuts. All right, guys, the interior light on the 2010 Pilot is done, so it looks good. I'll get you another video at night, so we can call this a done. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, like and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. So peace.